Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my channel. If you want to see the upcoming tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 21st episode about SharePoint Modern Site. In this episode, we'll format the list view using out-of-the-box format view. Now, let's begin by creating a list, so click New, List, choose blank list, add a list name, price list for example. Then I want to hide them in site navigation and click create. I would like to add new column, so click add column and choose single line of text. Then add the column name. I will add price and click save. Now let's add some item, so click new. I will add monitor with price 400. Let's add one more item, keyboard and price 50. So this is our price list. If you want to show them inside, home site for example, then open home site, edit the site, click plus icon and search list, choose your list, price list. If you want to edit the web part, you can click edit web part, and I want to hide command bar and see all button. Click apply and republish. So this is how we add list on the site. Currently we got a basic list without any style. To add style, you have to open the list, so click cog menu and site content. Choose your list, price list. Click all items. And first, we want to create a new view, so click create new view. Add a view name. I will say custom view. Now click custom view and format current view. In this list layout, we got two different styles, alternating row style and conditional formatting. If you choose alternating row style, then we will have background in alternate rows. Let's choose this for the time being. And let's add few more items. I will add mouse with a price of 25. And laptop with price 1500. So currently we got gray background. If you want to change the background, you can click on edit row style, and in odd row you can choose another background. Likewise, in even row you can choose another background. If you click on more style, you will get additional configuration for fonts, text color, fill color and border. For now, let's add border bottom and choose different border color. Let's do same for the odd rows. Click more style and choose border bottom and a border color. If you're happy, you can click save. Now we got a list with different styles. Let's see how it looks on our home site. Here we can still see the basic list. If you want to see the style list, you have to edit the web part, and in view, instead of all items, you have to choose custom view that we have created recently. Now you can see style list over here. Now let's use another style, so click custom view, format current view, choose conditional formatting, and here first we can add a default background for all the rows. Choose any one of them, and then we can add condition, so click add rule, and in condition you can say if price is equal to 400, then use this background. We can add as much condition as we want. Let's add one more, so click add condition and choose price is equal to 1500. On top, instead of and if, we can choose or if, and we can still see the same background over here. So it means if price is 400 or 1500, we will see a different background. Click save if you're happy. Now go back to home site. Let's do hard refresh. Let's do hard refresh one more time to see the updated list style. So now we can see the updated style over here. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll format the list view using JSON. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.